Two-bedroom house for sale, reasonable price, on the North Coast in Falmouth, Trelawney, Jamaica. Take a look. Decent house. This is the front of the house. This is a side view of the house. This is the back view of the house. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.